Many people work in an office, which means they spend 8 to 9 hours a day at the computer. Being sedentary 5 days a week is bad. But in combination with an unbalanced diet, this does irreparable harm to the body. Years or even months later, workers are at risk of suffering from diseases such as high cholesterol, obesity, hypertension, musculoskeletal problems, diabetes, etc. Very often, office workers skip meals or, on the contrary, overeat due to a heavy workload. Fortunately, today there are some innovative solutions to reduce the workload of office workers. One of these is a fax-sending app that has become widely used due to its unique features. It allows you to send a fax from iPhone in seconds, without the need for bulky fax machines. Vending machines with sweets, as well as buffets with buns and other fast food, have a negative effect on the nutrition of office employees. Harmful products smell delicious and are cheap, so they are chosen by many. But the retribution for a harmful, albeit tasty, pleasure overtakes quickly in the form of extra pounds and health problems. Therefore, it is important to learn to analyze what you eat, thereby showing love and respect for your body as a whole. Find below some effective tips on how to eat healthily while working in the office. Cook breakfast at home. Eating breakfast at home is not always possible. But you can always take a healthy breakfast to the office. It is just important to prepare it in advance. Otherwise, you will hope to buy food on the way to office work and, most likely, this idea will end up buying coffee and pastries. But baked goods are high in carbohydrates, make you tired or sleepy, and increase blood sugar. 25 to 30% of daily calories should come from the morning meal. A healthy breakfast can include cheese, eggs, cereal bread, and fresh vegetables. If you don't have time to cook, then whole grain toast with cheese and fruit will be a good alternative. The benefits of a healthy breakfast are enormous. Food starts metabolic processes and sets you up for work. Don't forget about proper snacking. Proper snacking is another important aspect of healthy eating at work. And there is something to learn from vegans and vegetarians because they are very resourceful. Consider the following list of healthy and tasty dishes. Fruit and vegetable smoothies. Dried fruit sweets without sugar. Nutritious sandwich spreads from seeds, legumes, and vegetables. Salads. Dietary bread from sprouted grains. Such food is ideal for the office because you will not embarrass colleagues with the aroma of meatballs, salami, and other similar foods. In addition, healthy foods have a lot of energy. After a proper snack, you will feel a surge of energy, brain activity will improve, and the thought of food, which so often distracts you at work, will simply not bother you. Don't skip lunch. About 60% of employees refuse lunch and put on weight due to malnutrition in the office. Indeed, it is very easy to immerse yourself in office work and forget about lunch. Especially if every hour you leave for a coffee break and satisfy your hunger with snacks. But such nutrition negatively affects health and figure. This often leads to overeating, problems in the functioning of the organs of the gastrointestinal tract, and rapid weight gain. Therefore, since a lunch break is provided in the middle of the working day, you should not skip it. However, remember that after a heavy meal at the workplace, you are unlikely to continue active office work and engage in efficient faxing, scanning documents, etc. It is better to take a light salad, chicken, or cottage cheese with fruits and nuts. This will allow you to get all the necessary nutrients and continue active work. Don't drink too much tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are the most popular drinks in the office. However, caffeine abuse can lead to dehydration and other problems, including even kidney stones. 1 cup of coffee and 5 cups of tea a day is enough to feel good. The rest of the time, drink water with lemon. It's not only healthy but also delicious. Drink enough water. Never forget about water. Much is known about the benefits of water for the human body. Water is needed to transport nutrients and oxygen to all cells in the body. It helps convert food into energy and absorb nutrients. Water maintains the stability of body temperature and protects vital organs. It is involved in maintaining the shape of cells and organs and is important for skin health. The ideal daily rate is 1.5 to 2 liters of water. You need to drink at least a couple of sips an hour. Such intake of water will help improve metabolism and keep the figure slim. Lastly, proper nutrition is very important for every person. This is especially true for office workers, as it takes a lot of energy to perform monotonous tasks such as faxing. You should follow simple rules to provide your body with the necessary amount of nutrients daily. Fortunately, this is not at all difficult to do because many employers are for proper nutrition, giving people the freedom to eat healthier.